Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday. It's our checkup day. We're heading to the eye doctor. Yeah. Good morning, babe. Oh my God. Look at my... Am I smoking?
See your breath.
Yeah, it's really cold in here. It's negative 14 degrees Celsius. So, cold. Talagang ano ko, covered. Ay, double, triple ang aking suot. It's our monthsary too. It's 22nd of the month. So, it's our 5th monthsary, wedding monthsary. I love you, babe. We're here now, just waiting for the doctor. May isa pang pasyente before us.
A few moments later.
A little bit better there. In here? No. That's same? Yeah, it's better. In here? It's a little off. Right now? It's better. Still see those? Yes. The difference here? A little bit. Here better? Yes.
Finally, we're done. It's 11:49, so it took us 1.5 hours. And I'm glad his eyes is okay, my eyes is okay, but he needs to wear a reading glass. Tapos sabi nung doctor, my eyes didn't dilate, babe.
Yeah, they didn't dilate.
They didn't dilate easily or quickly.
At all. He said.
At all. At all. Because whenever I read something, it's blurred. I said, what happened to my eyes? And then I asked the doctor about that, and he said, Gana, it's not dilated yet. It will get back to normal, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, go back to normal. It'll take a couple hours. So many ways he said that because he had been confused because your eyes didn't dilate. He said, I didn't get drops in your eyes. So I'm going to guess that you're probably the first one that's been in there that your eyes didn't dilate.
Yeah, he put me in a camera where my eyes will get shot, like a camera with take a picture, na babe? And then Warren said that it probably goes to the wall. The first patient that eyes didn't dilate quickly. That's why I really felt blurry. All the things that I see is blurred.
Well,
Especially
that's the medicine that's in the dilation solution.
especially the when reading, I'm reading the thing in the eyeglass, but I can't read it. It's blurred.
Yeah, go back to normal in an hour or two. You won't even notice it here in an hour or two.
Yeah, I hope so, because if not, I will go back there. I hope it will get back to normal as soon as possible.
Yeah, well.
I don't know. So we're back home, and I'm just checking my eyes. When I'm checking my cell phone screen, it's blurred. But when I look far there in the couch or in that door, it's not. There's no problem. But here, when I look nearly, it's... Oh, what happened? Well, the doctor said naman na it will take time, but hopefully it will go back to normal. Or else I'll really go there. I'm just happy that my husband's eyes is okay, because he always said that he's going blind. So, all good. Dun lang sa part na nagbabasa siya, ganun. So, the doctor said he needs a pair of glass for reading. So, ayun. Buti covered ng ng insurance. Lahat. Check up, yung eyeglass. Hindi ako nagpa-eyeglass kasi I don't need it. I want a sunglass, but I think hindi siya covered ng insurance. So, the one that we got is a Ralph Lauren Polo eyeglass, and it's worth like $215. We just hindi siya covered lahat, pero kinover nila yung $200, which is good. So we just need to pay $15 more for that glass. But all good kasi it's worth it. It's really nice glass. So ayun, and branded. Yung brand ba naman. So ako yung nagpili sa kanya, and it's really good on him. So it's worth it, worth the money, and yun, $15 lang naman yung binayaran namin. That's all. I'm happy it's covered. So now we're just chilling. We just need to let our eyes rest for a while kasi need ko talaga mag-rest. Yung eyes ko, blurred talaga siya.
A few moments later.
So we are currently here sa isang bid ni Warren for a tree service. I'm just waiting for him kasi chine-check pa niya yung stamp actually na ipapa-remove ng client. May nauna sa amin na nag-bid din, pero let's see kung ano yung magiging decision ng may-ari. Kung si Warren ba yung gagawa or yung isa. Well, let's see. Hopefully makuha ni Warren. Pero naglalaylo na rin siya sa mga trees. Sa stamps, yes. Pero sa mga trees, maglalaylo na siya kasi medyo matrabaho ang cutting of trees. And there's a big boy. There's a dog. Walking over there. Ayun. So, I'm just waiting for him. And update sa aking mata, ganun pa rin siya. Medyo blurred pa rin siya. Okay na konti, pero blurred pa rin. Probably ganun talaga, no? Comment down below sa mga nakakaalam about dilated ba yun? Dilated yung tawag nila. So, let's see. Cute lang doggy. But it's a pit bull. I really don't like to go outside. See? But he seems like nice naman. Ayan, oh. Walking towards me. I'm taking my sunglass today kasi ang sakit pala sa mata, no? Kapag chinek yung mata mo na may pinatak na gamot. Masakit siya sa mata. So, we're just wearing our eyeglass. Ay, ayun yung dog. Nakita ko na siya. Regarding kung magkano yung aming ginastos dun sa aming eye checkup, it's free lahat. It's covered by the card, by the health insurance. Ang binayaran lang namin is yung ang $15 for the excess dun sa eyeglass ni Warren. The total amount of the eyeglass is $215. So, napakamahal, no? Pero okay lang kasi worth it naman and branded siya. It's Polo. So, it's okay. And 200 covered naman. So, $15 lang. Diba? Good enough. Very worth it for sure. Kasi maganda yung frame niya. And ako yung pumili ng frame. I don't know kung yun yung unang kinuha ko. Yeah, I think yun yung unang kinuha ko. Pinasukat ko sa kanya. May pinasukat pa akong iba. Pero yun yung nagustuhan niya, yung pinakauna. And I really liked it. So, makukuha namin yung eyeglass within a week or 10 days. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo. And paparating na sila. Ayun na sila. Dun. Cutie boy, oh. Cutie big boy. I think it's a girl. I'm just waiting for Warren again. May nakita ata yung may-ari sa kanya dun sa loob ng bahay. Laki ng bahay nila. May pond pa sila dito. Ganda ng house. Para siyang old house na pero parang grandma house ganun. Here in Dollar Tree. Usually items here cost $1.25. Okay, so 2 for $1. Oh, it's birthday card.
Yes.
Birthday cards and everything. Mahal sa Walmart yan, ah. Yung last time na binili ko for Warren, $10. Party stuff. There's a lot here. Even the chocolates are $1.25. One pack na. It's like home decor. Ayan, $1.25. It's nice, no? I'm looking at what I'm going to put there. Home decors, babe. Panlinis, $1.25. Like this. $1.25 din yan. Cute. Oh.
Some little candy.
How much? $1.25. So $1.25 for Lucy and for Reaper. Reaper's getting jealous now of Lucy.
Yeah, I know. That's the only reason I was looking at it.
Sometimes if we bought him, he will just rip it.
Yep. Whatever you get him, he's gonna tear all pieces. So clue.
I want to give Lucy like this, babe. What do you think?
Big for it, I think. That's
Pink?
a cat color. It might not be.
No, cat and dogs. Pink, of course. She's a girl. What do you want? Blue? That's for Reaper. Cosmetics. Minsan makakita ka dito ng high-end na makeup. Here's the candies and chocolates. Oh, $1.25. Even this pack of 6. It's $1.25. It's really cheap. So we're back. Konti lang binili namin sa Dollar Tree. Actually, yun nga yung toys ng aso. Ang cute ni Lucy. Lucy! Cute ng color niya. Say hi, baby. Hi! I'm Lucy with my pink collar. Cute, oh. May ribbon pa dito. And Reaper. And Zoe, mama. Zoe! Ito nga yung Reaper. Si Zoe hindi mahilig sa laruan. Treats lang. We're on the square. Ayan. This is the square at night time. Tapos ito yung store na may gusto akong sweatshirt. Ang ganda yun. Kaso hindi namin alam kung parang souvenir shop siya na lagi pag pupunta kami walang tao. So hindi ko alam kung nag-ooperate pa sila or hindi. That store. The one that with the sweatshirt.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's only for souvenirs or what.
What?
Souvenirs.
Yeah, it's basically what it is. Souvenirs.
But you can't buy anything from there?
Not inside that window, no.
Oh. Yan. So, dito kami sa square. Lakad kami. Andun yung nag-blink na yun. Yun yung Japanese restaurant. Oh, this is empty?
See that?
Yeah. Going in. Waiting. Let's eat. I love you.